Hi, it's Chris again. Um, we're supposed to try and figure out how we would come up with how many shaded squares on the habits of mind problem without counting the shaded squares. I found this very difficult. The only way that I could come up with it was I would count at least one side of the square, and that gave you 10. And you can tell that it's a square, so each square or each side should have 10, so that would make 40. But you would automatically take 4 away because of the corners. Um, if you if you didn't take the 4 away, then that gives you, like I said, 40. But if you take the 4 away, it gives you 36. And then if you go back and actually count them, there are 36 shaded boxes in this problem. So that's how I come up with that. I hope to hear your other ways that you came up with it. This was, like I said, kind of difficult for me. So um, thanks.